Welcome, aspiring gardeners. Today, we'll unlock the secrets to a thriving vegetable patch. Proper preparation is key for a bountiful harvest. First, let's assess your chosen garden spot.
Consider sunlight exposure throughout the day, ensuring at least 6 hours. Good drainage is crucial.
Observe how water flows after rain. Also, note any existing vegetation that needs clearing. Next, it's time to clear the area. Remove all weeds, rocks, and debris. This creates a clean slate for your plants. You can use hand tools for smaller areas or a rake for larger plots. Ensure everything is thoroughly removed. Now let's talk tilling. This process aerates the soil and breaks up compaction, allowing roots to grow freely. For manual tilling, a garden fork or shovel works well. Dig deep to loosen the earth and improve its structure. For larger gardens, a mechanical tiller saves time and effort. Always follow safety guidelines when operating machinery. Healthy soil is the foundation of a great garden. We'll enrich it with vital amendments like compost and organic matter. Spread these amendments evenly over your tilled soil. They provide essential nutrients and improve soil structure. Then, incorporate them into the soil using a rake or by tilling again. This mixes everything thoroughly. Leveling your garden bed ensures even planting and consistent watering. A smooth surface is ideal for seeds and seedlings. Consider creating raised beds or rows. They offer better drainage, warmer soil, and easier access for gardening. A final raking creates a fine, smooth seed bed, perfect for planting. This ensures good seed-to-soil contact. Before planting, give your newly prepared bed a gentle watering. This settles the soil and provides initial moisture. You've successfully prepared your garden. Remember these steps: assess, clear, till, amend, level, and water. Now, you're ready to plant your favorite vegetables with confidence. Happy gardening and enjoy your future harvest.